Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced and go into App Permissions. Pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps, like Maps. Now you need to select one of those options for this app. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back I can see that Maps just gained access to my device location all the time. But you can also just click on one of your apps, select See All Maps Permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!